When it comes to antioxidants and gut health, we like to imagine a heroic tale: colorful berries, crunchy greens, and vibrant spices marching valiantly through our digestive tract, delivering polyphenolic justice to every cell in the body. But this story has a plot twist. Somewhere along the way, lurking in the shadows of your colon, lives a microbial frenemy called Eubacterium flavonifractor, a gut bacterium with a bit of a polyphenol problem. You see, not all bacteria are team players when it comes to your health goals. While many microbes help transform plant compounds into supercharged, bioactive metabolites, think of how some strains turn ellagic acid from pomegranates into urolithins, or how others convert fiber into butyrate. Flavonifractor plays a more mischievous role. It's known for breaking down polyphenol like quercetin and catechins before your body has the chance to absorb and use them. Basically, it's like someone unwrapping your antioxidant gifts and throwing them away before you even knew they were delivered. This bacterial buzzkill behavior matters more than you'd think. Polyphenol, found in pistachios, berries, tea, dark chocolate, olive oil, and legumes, are star players in reducing oxidative stress, improving vascular health, and calming systemic inflammation. But their effects depend heavily on microbial metabolism. When you harbor too many E-flavonifractor, you might be losing some of those benefits, not because the food is ineffective, but because it's being intercepted at the microbial level. It's like this. Imagine you're building a health puzzle and each antioxidant-rich food is a puzzle piece. E-flavonifractor isn't stealing the whole puzzle, but it's definitely hiding a few pieces under the rug, enough to make the final picture less complete. And in clinical studies, a higher abundance of E-flavonifractor has been associated with conditions like cognitive decline and poor response to polyphenol-rich diets. Not quite the gut guest you want overstaying its welcome. The good news? Diet appears to be a powerful tool for keeping this microbial mischief maker in check. Studies show that higher fiber intake, especially from diverse plant sources, is linked to a lower abundance of E-flavonifractor.
Why?
Possibly because fiber feeds other beneficial microbes that compete with it for resources, or because a high-fiber diet shifts the entire gut ecosystem toward a more cooperative microbial state. In particular, foods like pistachios, with their unique blend of fiber and polyphenol, have been shown to increase bifidobacterium and lactobacillus populations while dialing down the abundance of problematic strains. It's not just pistachios, of course. A Mediterranean-style diet rich in legumes, whole grains, fruits, vegetables, nuts, and olive oil seems to create the kind of microbial environment where E-flavonifractor doesn't thrive. Add some fermented foods, leafy greens, and tea, and you're not just feeding your microbiome, you're reshaping it into a neighborhood that favors metabolic peacekeepers over polyphenol vandals. So, is Eubacterium flavonifractor a total villain? Not necessarily. Like many microbes, it likely plays a dual role, perhaps helpful in one context and harmful in another. But when it comes to maximizing the benefits of antioxidant-rich foods, keeping this bacterium in balance is key. And you don't need a microbiology degree or a stool test to start. Just eat more plants, more colors, more fiber, more pistachios, yes, again. Less refined stuff, less sugar, fewer ultra-processed shortcuts. In the microbial story of your health, E-flavonifractor is a reminder that sometimes your bacteria are deciding what your food really does. And with a little strategic eating, you can nudge the plot back in your favor, where the berries save the day, the pistachios pack a punch, and the antioxidants make it to their final destination unharmed.